Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for some new drinking glasses for your kitchen? You're going to love these from Libbey. I love these mugs. We use them every day. They are very versatile. It has a beautifully embossed decoration on them. They're also 16 ounces, which makes it perfect for your daily water intake. Since they're very versatile, you can use them for casual entertaining or just for everyday use. I've also used them for decoration. You can just put in a few wildflowers in it and use it as a centerpiece. And although we personally use these jars as just our everyday drinking glasses, they're so beautiful that we can just have it on display on our counter. They're accessible and practical, yet they're still very aesthetically pleasing. So these glass mugs are not only cute, but they're very versatile and you can use them for several different uses. I think you're gonna love these, and that's just my point of view.